Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your garden shed. Right, so if this is your first time watching this channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss a next video. So as you can see, my shed is all over the place. There's no organization, no shelves, nothing, and it always takes me a lot of time just to find something simple, maybe hidden in a bag somewhere. So today I'm going to put it right, and hopefully this will give you some inspiration. So first things first, I'm gonna remove all the stuff from the shed to create some space, and this is in order to install the shelves that I've bought. Okay, so the dimensions of these shelves are 180 centimeters in height, 90 centimeters in width, and the depth is 40 centimeters, and it's a total of 5 shelves on each, so it's quite a good amount of storage space. And these shelves are also boltless, so there's no bolts or screws involved. I'm just gonna put it together. One thing I must say though, the instruction is not the best, but once you sort of identify the different parts, then you can figure things out very easily. As you can see, I struggled at the start, but once I figured out everything, then everything was smooth, and I managed to put both shelves together in quick time. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I can see, the amount of storage space that I have, which is quite good. I never realized that the finished thing would result with so much space, and it's not that wide as well, so I can put both of them in one corner and sort of make it into an L shape. And I still have so much more space in my shed that I could actually get maybe 2 more and still have a lot of space to put stuff. So thumbs up for these shelves. Yeah, really like it, really like the red as well. All that needs to happen now is for me to organize everything on the shelves and let it look nice and tidy, and that is it really. Right, so I hope this video has inspired you, to tidy up your shed and get things organized. I also recently done a video on how to organize your shoe cupboard, so please do check that video out. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please remember, give me a like, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.